Hey, this is Ben from TakeBensMoney.com. I'm going to answer 3 important questions. Why do I pay for videos? How can you make videos and get paid for them? And also, what products are you allowed to film and upload here on TakeBensMoney.com? Everything is very easy. It's one take. You don't have to have your face in it. You don't have to do any editing, and you upload and film directly from your phone on TakeBensMoney.com. So let's get started with the first question, which is why? I am part of the Amazon Influencer Program with my company, Should I Get It Reviews. So that means I can post videos on products explaining those products, and if somebody buys it, I get paid. So yes, I'm going to pay you for making a video and uploading it to TakeBensMoney.com, and then I'm going to put it on Amazon through the Should I Get It Reviews Amazon Influencer account, and I might make a little bit of money on that video, only when someone watches that video, finds it useful, and orders the product. So that's why. That's how you make money, and that's how I make money. Secondly, how do you do it? Well, you film a product review with your phone. There's only 2 rules. The video has to be filmed horizontally, and you also have to make sure the product is available online and costs $10 or more. That's about it. And then, what products can you film? Well, you could do a lot of products. You could do anything here. You could do Play-Doh if you have kids' toys or diapers. You could do a beard trimmer or razor. You can also do sunglasses if you have some cool sunglasses, lotions for your skin. You can even make reviews of books that you've read if you want. If you have a bookshelf full of books, $5 a book, that'll probably be like 50 bucks right there for you. Bluetooth speakers, and even if you wanted, not bananas, but you could review your protein powder. And here is a quick example, if you're interested in doing this, on how I would film a review of this Brita right here. So make sure you have your video mode turned on, horizontal, and here we go. This is the Brita 18 cup water filter that fits in the fridge or on a countertop. You can see it's pretty slim. I've had it for a couple years here. It's probably the width of like a half-gallon carton of milk, and then it's pretty long. Really easy to use, so you fill it with water up here on the top, and then you can see back there, there is a filter. So to change the filter out, you just lift the back piece, and then the filter, you just twist it, pull it out, put a new filter in. It has a light on top, so you know when to replace the filter. So if I tap this, it shows me my filter's green. Whenever I replace it, I hold down, and then it basically resets the timer there. To actually use it, it's really simple. So let's say I have my cup here. I'm gonna put it down on my bar stool, and then I'm going to turn that on. No hands, there you go. So you could use this with a Hydro Flask, a bottle, a pitcher, whatever you need. Then you turn it off, and that's it. So it is really simple to use. It fits in the fridge or fits on a countertop. The filters we buy are not Brita filters. They're just replacements that I found on Amazon, but they work pretty well. And that is the Brita water filter. Then I would take that video file from my phone, directly that. One take, my face isn't in it, nothing like that. And on the Take Ben's Money website, all I need to do is go to the bottom of the page by clicking on this button here that says click here to upload. Then I would do browse files, photo library, and then I would choose that video here and click select. Actual size, we could even just do large, hit done, and then press add. Now it's going to upload our video via TakeBensMoney.com, and all we have to answer is what is your Venmo, so you can get paid. So you fill out that form, you click on submit, and you'll get your $5 sent to you via Venmo. If you want to do more videos, you just go back to that same page, TakeBensMoney.com, film something else with your phone, and upload. There is no limit, so if you want to make $500 in a week doing this, you could do that. If it takes you only 2 minutes to make a video and you have 30 things to make videos of, in 1 hour you can make $150. If you don't believe me, just message me on Instagram at BenRebsonPhotography. There's tons of people already doing this. I don't want it to get too big, which is why I'm keeping it just to friends and friends of friends. So if you found this website, it's probably because a friend shared it with you, or I sent it to you directly, or you follow me on Instagram. If you have more questions, DM me. Hope that helps explain some things, and I appreciate you taking my money. Take care. Peace.